In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Grok 4.3 in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. If you use Cursor for coding, building, or testing AI workflows, turning on the right model can make a big difference in speed, quality, and the type of responses you get. This is a quick and easy setup, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the model settings and how to switch Grok 4.3 on if it's available on your account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is running, look down to the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon to open your settings. This is where Cursor keeps all of its main configuration options, including themes, editor settings, and AI model controls. After the settings window opens, find and click on Models. This section is where you manage the AI models available inside Cursor, so if you want to use a specific model, this is the place to check. Once you're inside the Models menu, look for the option that says View All Models and click it. This will expand the full list of models that Cursor currently supports or has enabled for your account. Now take a moment to carefully scan through the available models list. You're looking specifically for Grok 4.3. If Grok 4.3 appears in the list, you can enable it by turning on the toggle right next to it. That's the key step because the toggle controls whether Cursor can actually use that model in your workspace. If the toggle is already on, then Grok 4.3 is enabled and ready to go. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've expanded the full list and check the enabled model section thoroughly. Depending on your account, plan, or current model access, Grok 4.3 may appear in a different place or may not be available yet. In that case, it's worth refreshing the page, checking again later, or verifying whether your Cursor version is up to date. Once Grok 4.3 is enabled, you can go back to your editor and start using it for your prompts, coding tasks, or AI-assisted workflows. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable Grok 4.3 in Cursor AI. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.